How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the finale of the JOHAN 1/25th scale 64 Dodge Super Stock, done as the Bounty Hunters. Alright, before we get this video going, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. Never ask you for a dime, never ask you for anything. All I ask you to do is support everyone in our YouTube community, our modeling community. And yeah, that's really all I got, guys. I'm going to show you the final on this, and I'll probably have some pictures at the end if you want to stick around and just see a slideshow. I probably won't even put no music to it. I'll just show a slideshow, guys. A lot of people complain about the music I picked, so I guess I suck. So it is what it is. So I'll just put a slideshow at the end, but I'm going to show you real quick here in just a second. And I think I might even just turn this camera around before it's all said and done and show you an update too on my build for Donnie, which was the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone by Mobius. So I'll probably just do a video turn it around, show that too. That way I ain't doing two videos. But all right, let me move this box out of the way. You know, that's the kit I'm doing, the JOHAN. Boom, guys. There she is. Now, let me tell you this. Y'all remember I ordered the wrong decals. I got the right decals. Then I had a guy contact me and say, man, that's the wrong hood for the Hemi and this and that and everything and stuff, guys. All right. I'm just building the box stock JOHAN kit. So that's what was in it. I just put decals on it, guys. So this just be a tribute build, I guess, to Bounty Hunters. It might not be correct, but I don't care. I build the model for me, and it's going to look good sitting on my shelf, so I don't care. So with that being said, here is my tribute to the Bounty Hunters 64 Dodge Super Stock. I did it in the Tamiya white. Those, I can't remember who did the decals. I'm sorry, guys. The first set of decals I had for the Bounty Hunter, which I still got for another car, it was Fred Cady. I don't remember who did these, but these are the decals. You can see this is 100% stock, box stock kit, other than decals, plug wires, and the front tires I sourced from a different kit. But other than that, because I wanted the white wall tire on the front, but other than that, this is 100% JOHAN kit. We'll turn it around there and let y'all get a good look at what I got going on. See, it says Bob or Banning Dodge Plymouth, Bob Banning, Hyattville, MD. Okay, I think it said Tom Sneeden or something like that, driver. Dave Ritz, mechanic. Like I said, this is pretty much what we got done. I did it in red on the interior. You know, nothing special, you know. This is just an old drag car. You see it's got the fender well header sticking out, and that might not be correct for this car, guys. I was done said the hood wasn't correct, which, you know, it is what it is, guys. I got a good representation out there, I guess. You know, I'm not one of them guys that are rivet counters and bolt counters and stuff like that don't make a crap to me, guys. I build for myself and what looks good on the shelf, and that, I think that looks good on the shelf. Let's get it in here and show you what all I've done to it without bumping this camera. Sorry. Alright, I like my stuff to look like it's been raced, worn. It's got black wash on the wheels. I got the panel line in it, you know. I did just a little bit of weathering underneath there, nothing stupid crazy, just make it look like it's been raised. Of course, you know, it's a one-piece body underneath their chassis, so you know there's not a lot you can do to it. So and of course I raised the front end up. I got the wheels setting up, you know. Let's see, there is the back. It's got a black wash in it. The front, it's got the black wash in it. I got my little NHRA decal, you know. That's probably not correct either, but I don't care. There's my under the hood. You can see the Hemi. Dechromed the valve covers, painted them black, wired the battery. Really, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Nothing special. Just staying true to a vintage kit. If you want to get more accurate and more everything else, get a Lindbergh kit and stuff, but that's not me. I don't care. I love my vintage models, my vintage kits, and Johan especially. Y'all know that is my favorite models I love to build. I'm letting y'all get every angle here. Like I said, I'll build a vintage kit before I'd build a new kit any day if it was up to me. A lot of people say, well, you got the new release and you got the vintage kit. I'm still going to build the vintage before I don't care. You know, it's all plastic. It's all meant to be built, guys. Me, I'm not saying I'm a collector. I'm a collector, I guess, of the models I build. I'm not just going to go buy a vintage model, keep it unsealed, and set it on the shelf. That's fucking stupid. To me, anyway. Models are meant to be built. I will keep the box. I always do. I love displaying my vintage boxes. I love them. Decals, you know, anything left over, I keep it. I display it. And that's how I'll display it, guys. Alright, with that being said, let me shut my yap, turn you around, show you what I've gotten done on Donnie's car. Alright guys, you're gonna have to forgive me for the wobbly cam, but I'm just gonna sit here and hold this. Let me remind y'all, let me get this box top here of what kit we're doing. Alright, is this one right here. Mercury 65 Comet Cyclone. Doing this for a buddy of mine, Donnie Yager, out in California. I'm gonna show you what I've gotten done. Get it up here in the light. Alright, I've got the engine wired. I got the starter solenoid and the battery cable done. I got the heater hoses. Let's see if you can see the heater hoses. I got the heater hoses done, top bottom. Radiator hoses, top bottom. I've weathered this thing up where it's not a rust bucket by no means. It's just a well driven, unrestored, that's my story, it is unrestored 1965 Mercury Cyclone that has been well loved, driven. You can see the details underneath there. Even from the little Wicks filter, it's got a little dirty. Yeah, you can see right there. Let me show you the interior. The interior is washed, black washed. It looks worn, but not beat up, not tore up. I did a little stippling effect on the carpet. You ain't gonna be able to see. I didn't put carpet in it. I just did the stippling effect on that to give you a pattern. I did the dash, the gauges, the shifter. I did brown on the steering wheel and did an orange clear over it. Let's see. Oop. Got the wheels black washed. Got the tires Of course, the hood's done here. Of course, this still has to be clear coated and waxed. Same thing with the body. I got all the decals, the chrome full. Everything's got to be clear coated and waxed. It had been wet sanded, that's why it's got that look to it, but hopefully that clear coat will cover it up good. If it don't, it is what it is. It's going to look like a weathered car. There's the bumpers. I blackwashed these bumpers, put clear glue in the marker lights, got the decals on everything. Here, you ain't gonna be able to see that grill very good. There you go. There is the grill. It's got the emblem in it. It's blackwashed, painted black, blackwashed. Still need to put the headlights in it. Alright guys, I think that's about all I got to say about it. Donnie, I hope you're liking it. Hope y'all like the Dodge. Alright guys, love you. Bye.